A 28-year-old Indian man living in Australia on a student visa has been jailed for a smart and careful planned fraud. His name is Pradeep. Pradeep came to Australia to study the information technology. To earn money, he also worked as an Uber driver. But behind the scenes, police say that he was planning a major scam. According to the reports, Pradeep targeted a man who was trying to buy a house in Sydney. Well, the buyer has contracted the real law firm to handle the deal. But that is where the scam began. Pradeep created a fake version of the law firm. He registered a website domain that looked almost the same as the real firm. Then, the email address also looked almost identical. The victim did not notice the difference because who does? And Pradeep then went a step further. He registered the fake company with a name similar to the law firm. He opened a business bank account and listed him as the director. Everything looked real. No sus. Over the next few weeks, Pradeep sent emails to the victim, acting like a real lawyer. He spoke about paperwork, stamp duty, and also the house payments. Then came the biggest move. Pradeep asked the victims to transfer more than 2 lakh Australian dollars to the house purchase. Well, the victim sent the money in just 2 payments, and the total amount was nearly $210,000. Soon after the victim spoke to the real lawyer, the scam was busted. This is when the truth came out. Then, there was no payment request, no matching email, and no real transaction. The man has been already scammed. Police tracked the fraud back to Pradeep, and at first, he denied everything. He claimed that he owned a transport company and nothing related to this. But the court did not ignore and showed a single customer. Police also found CCTV footage of Pradeep buying gold with the stolen money. And out of the full amount, only $900 were recovered back. The rest was gone. In the court, Pradeep's lawyer claimed that he was following order from another man just to cover up. But there was no proof of any other human being involved. Well, the judge did not accept the excuse. He said Pradeep knew exactly what he was doing, and Pradeep was sentenced to 2 years of jail and at 14 months before the parole. The court also said that once he is released, he will most likely to be deported from Australia. Pradeep was living with his partner at this time, and this crime is a warning. Scams today might be smart, emails might look real, website real, and even the companies can be fake. Everything can be faked up. One small mistake can cost you everything. Years of saving, life savings, and whatnot. So, always double check before sending money, verify things multiple times, and then only trust the people, be it anybody. How did you like this case? Make sure to comment down below. Thanks for watching.